Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Yesterday, the markets rallied 200 points nearly, and today it is indicating another gap up of 125 points. And markets are becoming a random move. One day market fell 250 points for no reason, that was day before yesterday. Yesterday for no reason shot up 200 points. Today for no reason indicating 125 point gap up, and now nifty may be inching towards the all-time high once again. As I told you earlier, on December 20 the markets fell for no reason. The next few days markets recovered and took the 23rd high, and same way Jan 23rd also markets fell for no reason, and then markets recovered. And same thing, day before yesterday, Nifty fell to 50 points for no reason. Then the next 2 3 days, markets recovered. And when markets are falling for no reason, that means without any associated news flow, anything. And then uniformly, markets recover in the next few trading sessions. So that is what we are seeing. But this fast recovery is something, that too very close to weekly expiry is very, very dangerous. Just imagine, just day before yesterday, when the markets fell 250 points, people would have sold call options aggressively, and all those people are in trouble now. So anyway, so as I told you, this market is not for traders, is not for positional traders, or not for intraday traders. So this is basically for investors. As and when there is a fall, people who take long position, investors, they make very good money when the market recovers. But only thing is, which share to buy, nobody knows. One day Reliance shoots up 7% for no reason. The next day TCS shoots up 4% for no reason. I don't know. So Nifty is trading very close to all-time high, but Bank Nifty is trading nearly 5% below all-time high. So again, even stock prices are, looking like a random move. But just like TCS and Reliance, if one day, if HDFC Bank shoots up or ICICI Bank shoots up 5 6%, so that is when the Bank Nifty can pick up. So anyway, 200 point going higher, the next day 125 point gap up, very close to weekly expiry, is really not good for the people who sold the call options. So US markets, I don't know what has happened. There also, uh, US VIX has fallen more than 4%. So that was very, very surprising. So the probably yesterday Nvidia corrected a little bit. So Nvidia, I'll tell you, the stock is trading around $700, and $900 call option was trading so actively with a huge premium of about $5 premium. So which means that people are expecting, more than 30% move after the results. So that was like, that stock has already up from $100 to $700. So because maybe Nvidia corrected, so now, so I think the froth is taken out. I think now people are thinking that, US markets may also stabilize. Probably that is the reason why US VIX has fallen by more than 4%. Otherwise, there was no news there also. So here also we need to see whether the VIX cools down. So the focus will be turning to banking stocks, and once again, so because if market has to take out all-time high, the banking stocks cannot be hugely underperforming. And of course, Nasdaq is doing well, so bad because of that, IT stocks may tend to do well. So since Reliance has shot up already, IT stocks have shot up already, so they may consolidate, and then the other stocks, maybe like ITC, L&T, banking stocks, so may take the markets higher. So today Gift Nifty indicating 22,125 in futures, not the spot. The spot may be about 100 point lower. So that means, so we are just only 100 point away from all-time high. I told you when the markets fell from 20 to 125, so markets should not fall significantly, because if the markets fall significantly, then this 20 to 125 will be taken as a double top. So I said markets have to recover quickly, and so it has to take out that level. So looks like the February month itself it may take out. So that possibility is very, very high. So the markets are looking very bullish, but only thing is too much volatility. Who knows? Like the other day, what happened? Today also, Nifty may fall 200 to 50 point after such a big gap up opening. And because Nifty has always been making more than 200 point move all along these days in February series. So let us hope after the gap up market stabilizes, and today the bank Nifty expiry is also there, so the banking stocks will be more volatile. So the resistance, now it's clearly at 22 125 only. I think the support will be definitely at yesterday's low, but that's very, very far away. Right. So I think 21,900 may be a good support now, as 21,900 put option added huge open interest yesterday. So let us see where the market goes today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.